5. The unasked question. Why did you detest it every time I kicked inside you? The anguished words burst forth, unleashing uncontrollable sobs from my core. Shock reverberated through my mind. 30 years of hidden truth now exposed. Sitting on Dolores's porch, vulnerability engulfed me. Her question from the previous Sunday, posed after church, still lingered. Have you forgiven your birth mother for giving you up for adoption? Her brazen question triggered instant anger and stubborn resistance. Silent screams echoed within. I've never thought about it, I defended, voice cracking. I'm happily married to Henny with Gurik. Dishonesty stared back, reflected in faltering words. Dolores's gentle wisdom pierced my defenses. Unforgiveness blocks life's dreams, she counseled. Let's pray about it in the week. I surrendered. Crippling fear, suffocating dread, and anguish paralyzed me. Trapped, exposed, and defenseless, I approached her cheerful porch like the one and only little lamb led to slaughter. Dolores intuitively sensed the profundity of my emotional outburst. Channeling my birth mother's consoling voice, our heartfelt dialogue blurred. Except for that haunting, soul-stirring question echoing profoundly within me. It unfolded like a colossal celestial banner. Why did you detest my every kick inside you? My sobs were raw, open, and vulnerably honest. After the meeting, exhaustion followed, like navigating explosive shrapnel. But then my curiosity slowly emerged. Where did this question originate? Who asked it? Is it important? How do I move forward from here? Meeting Henny, 18 years my senior, a lawyer with dwarfism, sparked whirlwind romance. His diminutive stature, 1.1 meter, contrasted with his larger-than-life personality. On my 28th birthday, he swept me off my feet. Though divorcing, he married me 7 weeks later, the day his divorce finalized. Beneath his generous adoration, I sensed emotional danger, but silenced my fears of his explosive temper. Unprepared and out of my depth, I faced multifaceted motherhood. Gurik, now 5 years old, and Henny's adopted sons, Pieter, 15, and Johan, 6, living with us, overwhelmed me. Struggling to regain balance, I faced crippling uncertainty. The unspoken question I'd shunned became unavoidable. Who am I, really?